Good afternoon, everyone. My today's presentation topic is From Marginalization to Resistance, a feminist study of Vanja in Petals of Blood and Gangubai in Gangubai Kathiawadi. Here are my academic information, table of content. So we know that the feminist theory, there are many feminist theories. So here I connect that with Simone de Beauvoir's that theory and subaltern theory by Spivak in that both Petals of Blood and that Gangubai movie. How the term fallen women they used for that prostitute. So how people use that word fallen women in that context for prostitute, and how they survive in the society, how the situation also they, in which situation or some circumstances they do that prostitute works. So, in my hypothesis that earlier I mentioned that the term fallen woman and stigmatized woman, how the society treats them with a moral weakness, how patriarchy treats them as a moral weakness, and but how and in that Vanja character of Vanja and character of Gangubai, we can find that resistance to that patriarchal society. So here we discuss that. So, feminist theoretical framework. So, this study is based on that Simone de Beauvoir's that theory that women treat always as a other. So, how we can know that prostitute women are also treated as a other. So, how that according to Beauvoir, women are not born subordinate, but they are socially constructed and positioned as inferior through male dominant and that our cultural. So, in that theory of marginalization by Gayatri Spivak, also we can find that double marginalization for women. So we can connect that for Vanja also, because that colonialism, and then as a woman she suffers a lot. Vanja's land disposal and economic survival. We know that Vanja opened brothel house. Why? Because of that get back land of Nyakumnya. So she opened brothel house, and before that she also exploited by Chimeria. So, how that as Al-Azhawi argues in article, Gugi shows how patriarchal and colonial system deprive women of economic resources, forcing them into exploitation condition while also stigmatize them. So, how that was not Vanja's for that circumstances that did that open brothel house for land. So how she is entered in that prostitution. And here situation of Gangubai, she also betrayed by her lover. So how she betrayed by her lover, and how she accept that prostitution, and then in the end of movie she also resist, and in the end of the novel Vanja also resist against Chimeria. So how they betrayed by society, patriarchy, and then resist against them. So here that resistance and agency. So I also earlier mentioned that they are financially independent both, but how they in the society they treat as a prostitute. So they survive in the society, but also know as other women. Here I put that comparative analysis of Vanja and Gangubai, how that betrayal economically, and then betrayal by lover, and from that resistance, one is that kill Chimeria, and another became a social and political leader. And overall significance, we can find that how empowerment through survival, and then another in Gangubai's case, how she empowered with activism. Here, one infographic I put here. Here you can find that from starting to ending, and here in the national allegory outcomes, you find that both end of their so conclusion. So in conclusion, we can say that how they suffered from marginalized in both novel and movie, and how they resist against, and how they deny the stereotype term fallen woman by their resistance. So there are my references. Thank you. Now you are free to ask questions.
So my question is, can you provide another example from cinema or recent media report where women enter prostitution due to economic or social compulsion?
Yes, Nirali. I want to give example of series Hiramandi series, which also represented his Hijra system, and also there in on news we can find that in Bhavnagar, that recent news, I think during 1 week, that in one of spa center we can find that prostitution of women. That news also recent we can find here.
So my question, Nishta, how can societal attitudes toward women in prostitutions be transformed?
Yes, Nikita. So at least we should say people, if you not say that not respect them, so do should not use that bad words for that prostitution character. So from that, or from that movies, we can that we should spread that justice to that prostitute workers. Thank you.